Good morning from Doctor's Creek Reserve. I'll show you around. We've stayed here for 2 nights. This is a 3-hour drive from Melbourne. This is the nearest place is Mansfield, and it's near Mount Buller where you go to the snow. It's my first time camping here. I'll take you around. So we stayed in this tent. Good morning.
How was your...
I'm good. I'm good. But my partner wanted me to bring the mattress.
Yeah.
The air mattress, but I said nah, it's a lot of hassle.
Yeah.
So but my back can only do, we have a soft Duna that we put on our back, but my limit is only 2.
Yeah.
2 nights.
Yeah.
So hard back.
Yeah. I need something light. I only had runners left.
Thank you so much for inviting us to this camp. It's my first time at Doctor's Creek Reserve.
Hi.
Pops is still asleep.
Yeah. Pops is listening to the horse races.
Only Grandma's
Watching the
awake.
replay.
Thank you for the fire that kept us warm.
This is all the time. Every time we're out there, thank you. It's like, hey guys, we're here at.
Ash is still asleep also.
Even we have.
We're going to the river and clean these pots with Mami La. And Mami Leonie is already there down. So, this is maybe Goulburn River fishing access point. Claire saw a fish when we were swimming. Oh, the river's so nice. The water's clean because it's flowing. Super clean. And they even have a water filter that connects to the caravan. Mama, oh, it's heavy. Oh, yeah.
Alam mo pa yung tuko na yun, ano yun?
Hindi. Babanlawan ko na. Kailangan bigat ng pan. Oh. Ay. Ang later din? Ano mamayang gabi? Beautiful river. On a sunny day, it's nice to swim. The water can get cold, but if you're always just swimming, you don't feel the cold.